ATV Big Air Tour, a national touring rock show of pro ATV and dirt bike riders launching 80 feet up big air ramps performing the sickest tricks. Featuring Derek Guetter's legendary pro ATV team with John Langaas, Jake Cohoe, and Nick Rogers. Big Air BMX, electric activation, and Anthony Murray is going to backflip his KX450 motorcycle. Meet all the riders for pictures and autographs, and win great prizes like a free jersey, goggles, and more at the FanFest Meet and Greet hosted by Emcee Grice. This high-adrenaline show performs at hundreds of fairs and festivals around the country. So don't miss your chance to see it live when it comes to your town. The all-new 2023 ATV Big Air Show. Get ready to send it. For ticket and complete show information, visit ATVBigAirTour.com.